Imagine navigating your smartphone without lifting a finger. Just a glance or blink could launch apps, scroll through feeds, or even send a message. This futuristic concept is closer to reality than ever, as researchers and tech giants are developing smartphones that respond to eye movements. The idea of controlling digital devices with nothing more than our gaze, once a staple of science fiction, is now being powered by advancements in artificial intelligence, eye-tracking technology, and neural interfaces. These innovations could revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, making smartphones more intuitive, accessible, and hands-free. Eye-tracking technology, which has traditionally been used in specialized fields such as medical diagnostics, gaming, and virtual reality, is being miniaturized and adapted for smartphones. By using infrared sensors and front-facing cameras, devices can now detect the subtle movements of the eyes with increasing precision. Combined with machine learning algorithms, these systems are capable of interpreting gaze direction, blink patterns, and even emotional responses. For example, users could open a specific app just by looking at its icon for a couple of seconds, or scroll through a web page by shifting their gaze downward. Companies like Apple, Samsung, and Google are reportedly exploring these technologies, aiming to integrate them into future smartphone models. Apple, in particular, has already shown interest in eye tracking through its work with augmented reality and accessibility features on current iPhones. The potential applications go far beyond convenience. For individuals with physical disabilities, eye-controlled interfaces could offer new levels of independence and communication. Moreover, in scenarios where hands-free operation is essential, like cooking, driving, or working in a lab, eye-controlled smartphones could prove incredibly useful. However, the technology also raises questions about privacy and user consent. Tracking where users look can reveal a wealth of personal data, such as interests, attention span, and emotional states. Ensuring that eye-tracking features are secure, transparent, and optional will be critical as they become more widespread. In conclusion, smartphones controlled by eye movements could redefine mobile interaction in the near future. With rapid developments in AI and sensor technology, what once seemed like a sci-fi fantasy is quickly turning into a practical reality. As the line between human behavior and digital command blurs, the next generation of smartphones might literally follow your every move, starting with your eyes.